In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to flip an image in Figma. Whether you're new to this tool or familiar but just need a refresher on how to navigate your way around image manipulation, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. Let's dive in. First, we want to start by going to Figma, the collaborative interface design tool. If you haven't already, open your web browser and head to figma.com. This is your starting point every time you're about to embark on a design journey because it sets the stage for a range of creative possibilities. Once you're on the Figma homepage, you'll notice an option to log in. Click on this to access your projects. Logging in brings you right to your workspace where you can access all your design files. If you're new here, signing up is straightforward and you're just a few clicks away from starting your design adventure. Now, after logging in, you're taken to your Figma homepage. This area is your design hub with your most recent files and shared items readily available. The familiarity of the interface is designed to keep your creative juices flowing without the disruptions of navigation hassles. From here, locate and click on the Design tab. This is where the magic happens, a space dedicated to crafting and perfecting your visual elements. Once inside a project or design file, focus your attention on the design panel where you can access multiple tools and actions. You should see any images or graphics you've imported or created. Click on the image you wish to flip. Selecting an image highlights it, indicating that it's ready for any modifications. The beauty of Figma is its intuitive design, making this part straightforward even if you're just starting out. With the image selected, it's time to employ the right-click magic. Right-click on the image to bring up a context menu. You'll notice a couple of transformative options including flip horizontal and flip vertical. This simple action alters the orientation of your image, giving it a new perspective that could suit your design needs perfectly. Whether you need to mirror an element to maintain consistency or create a visual intrigue, these flips are done in an instant. And there you have it, a simple guide to flipping an image in Figma. Remember, mastering these basic actions can significantly enhance your workflow and design flexibility. Experiment with these tools to see how small adjustments can impact your overall composition. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope this tutorial has empowered you to explore further capabilities in Figma. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more handy design tips and tutorials.